Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that can significantly impact your life after 60. Have you ever wondered if the small choices you make daily could have a profound effect on your overall well-being and happiness as you age? The truth is, they can. In this video, we'll uncover the 6 most detrimental mistakes you could make after turning 60 and, more importantly, how to avoid them to live a fulfilling, healthy, and joyful life. Stay with us until the end, because each mistake we discuss comes with practical solutions that can help you or your loved ones thrive in the golden years. You won't want to miss any part of this video, as these insights could change your life for the better. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and tap the notification bell. This way, you'll always be the first to know when we release new, valuable content designed to enhance your life. Our first mistake is often overlooked but critically important: neglecting mental health. As we age, maintaining a healthy mind becomes just as essential as taking care of our physical health. Many people assume that cognitive decline is inevitable with age, but that's not entirely true. While some changes are natural, there are effective ways to keep our minds sharp and resilient. Engaging in activities that challenge your brain, such as puzzles, reading, and learning new skills, can significantly enhance cognitive function. Social interactions also play a vital role in mental health. Staying connected with friends, family, and community activities can help combat feelings of loneliness and depression, which are common among older adults. Additionally, mindfulness practices like meditation and deep breathing exercises can reduce stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of peace and well-being. Taking proactive steps to care for your mental health can lead to a more fulfilling and happy life, allowing you to enjoy your golden years to the fullest. Now, let's move on to the second critical mistake: lack of physical exercise. It's no secret that staying physically active is vital for maintaining overall health, especially as we age. However, many people over 60 tend to slow down and become less active, often due to misconceptions about their physical capabilities or fear of injury. Regular exercise can prevent a host of health issues, from cardiovascular diseases to diabetes, and can even improve mental health by reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety. You don't have to engage in high-intensity workouts. Simple activities like walking, stretching, yoga, or Tai Chi can make a significant difference. Incorporating strength training exercises a few times a week can help maintain muscle mass and bone density, which are crucial for mobility and independence. Balance exercises are also essential to prevent falls, a common concern for older adults. Remember, it's never too late to start. Even if you've been inactive for years, beginning with small, manageable steps can lead to substantial improvements in your health. Consult with a healthcare provider to design a safe and effective exercise plan tailored to your needs. Next, let's address the third significant mistake: not planning financially. Financial stability is a cornerstone of a comfortable and stress-free life, particularly in retirement. Unfortunately, many people over 60 overlook the importance of proper financial planning, leading to unnecessary anxiety and hardship. It's crucial to have a clear understanding of your income, expenses, and savings. Create a detailed budget that accounts for all your needs and allows for some leisure activities and unexpected expenses. Consulting with a financial advisor can provide personalized strategies to manage your assets, ensuring your money lasts throughout your retirement. Another key aspect is understanding and maximizing your benefits, such as Social Security, pensions, and other retirement funds. Make sure you're aware of all the options available to you and how to make the most of them. Additionally, it's wise to consider healthcare costs, which can be substantial in later years. Look into insurance plans that cover your medical needs and explore options like long-term care insurance. By taking control of your financial future, you can reduce stress and focus on enjoying your life without constantly worrying about money. Financial peace of mind is achievable with careful planning and professional advice. Before we move on to our fourth mistake, I want to share something that could greatly benefit you. We have a comprehensive personal development guide available in the first pinned comment. This guide is designed to help you address the challenges discussed in this video and more. It's packed with actionable advice to help you find inner peace, achieve your goals, and live an extraordinary and abundant life. Be sure to check it out after watching this video. Now, let's dive into the fourth mistake: isolation and lack of social interaction. As we age, our social circles can shrink due to retirement, the passing of friends and family, or simply losing touch over time. However, maintaining strong social connections is vital for both mental and physical health. Social isolation can lead to feelings of loneliness, depression, and anxiety. It can also negatively impact your physical health, increasing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and cognitive decline. Staying socially active helps keep your mind sharp and your spirits high. So, how can you stay connected? First, make an effort to reach out to friends and family regularly. Even simple gestures like phone calls, video chats, or meeting for coffee can make a big difference. Consider joining clubs or groups that interest you, such as book clubs, fitness classes, or hobby groups. Volunteering is another excellent way to meet new people and give back to your community. Don't underestimate the power of technology. Social media platforms and online communities can help you stay connected with loved ones and meet new friends with similar interests. Learning to use these tools can open up a world of social opportunities. By actively seeking and maintaining social connections, you can enhance your emotional well-being and enjoy a richer, more fulfilling life. It's never too late to make new friends and strengthen existing relationships. Moving on to the fifth mistake: poor nutrition. As we age, our nutritional needs change, and maintaining a balanced diet becomes increasingly important for overall health and well-being. Unfortunately, many older adults fall into the trap of unhealthy eating habits, which can lead to a variety of health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and weakened immune function. One common mistake is consuming too many processed foods, which are often high in salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. These foods can contribute to chronic health problems and should be limited in your diet. Instead, focus on whole foods that provide essential nutrients. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats is crucial. These foods supply the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants your body needs to function optimally. For instance, leafy greens and brightly colored vegetables are packed with essential nutrients and fiber, which aid in digestion and help maintain a healthy weight. Hydration is another critical aspect of good nutrition. As we age, our sense of thirst may diminish, leading to dehydration. Make it a habit to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Herbal teas and water-rich fruits and vegetables, like cucumbers and watermelon, can also help you stay hydrated. It's also beneficial to incorporate foods that support bone health, such as dairy products, fortified plant-based milk, and leafy greens, which are rich in calcium and vitamin D. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish, flax seeds, and walnuts, are excellent for brain health and reducing inflammation. Consider consulting with a nutritionist to create a personalized meal plan that meets your specific dietary needs. This can help you make informed choices and ensure you're getting the right balance of nutrients. By prioritizing a healthy diet, you can enhance your energy levels, support your immune system, and improve your overall quality of life, making your later years more enjoyable and vibrant. Finally, let's discuss the sixth and perhaps most critical mistake: neglecting regular medical care. As we age, our bodies undergo various changes, and staying on top of our health through regular checkups and preventive care is crucial to maintaining a good quality of life. Many older adults tend to visit the doctor only when they feel unwell, but proactive health management can prevent many issues from becoming serious problems. Regular screenings and checkups can help detect conditions like hypertension, diabetes, and cancer in their early stages when they are most treatable. Maintaining a good relationship with your healthcare provider is essential. They can offer personalized advice, monitor your health trends over time, and adjust treatments as necessary. Be sure to discuss any changes in your health, no matter how minor they may seem, as they can be indicators of larger issues. Medication management is another important aspect. As you age, you might find yourself on multiple medications, which can lead to complications and interactions if not managed properly. Regularly review your medications with your doctor or pharmacist to ensure they are still necessary and to discuss any potential side effects or interactions. Vaccinations also play a key role in preventive care. Staying up to date with vaccines, such as the flu shot, shingles vaccine, and pneumococcal vaccine, can help prevent serious illnesses and keep your immune system strong. Additionally, don't forget about dental, vision, and hearing care. These aspects of health are often overlooked but can significantly impact your quality of life. Regular visits to the dentist, optometrist, and audiologist can help maintain these vital senses and prevent related issues. By prioritizing regular medical care and staying proactive about your health, you can catch potential problems early and manage chronic conditions more effectively, leading to a healthier, happier, and more independent life. Now let's take a moment to recap the 6 critical mistakes we've discussed that you should avoid after turning 60. This summary will reinforce the key points and ensure that you have a clear understanding of how to improve your quality of life during these golden years. First, we talked about the importance of maintaining mental health. Engaging in activities that challenge your brain and staying socially active are crucial for mental well-being. Practices like meditation and regular social interactions can make a significant difference in your happiness and cognitive function. Next, we emphasize the necessity of physical exercise. Regular physical activity helps prevent a range of health issues and keeps your body strong and flexible. Simple exercises like walking, yoga, and strength training can have profound benefits for your overall health. The third mistake to avoid is failing to plan financially. Financial stability is essential for a stress-free retirement. Creating a detailed budget, understanding your benefits, and consulting with a financial advisor can help you manage your finances effectively and ensure you have enough resources for your needs and desires. We then discussed the dangers of social isolation. Maintaining strong social connections can enhance your emotional and physical health. Make an effort to stay connected with friends and family, join clubs or groups, and use technology to meet new people and stay in touch. Our 5th point was about nutrition. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats is vital. Proper hydration and consulting with a nutritionist can help you make the best dietary choices to support your health. Finally, we addressed the importance of regular medical care. Preventive checkups and screenings, medication management, and staying up to date with vaccinations can help catch potential health issues early and manage chronic conditions effectively. By avoiding these 6 mistakes, you can significantly enhance your quality of life and enjoy your retirement years with better health, happiness, and financial security. As we wrap up this important discussion, I want to thank you for staying with us until the end. We've covered a lot of ground today, and I hope you found these insights valuable and actionable. Avoiding these 6 critical mistakes can truly make a difference in your life after 60, helping you stay healthy, happy, and financially secure. Remember, maintaining your mental health by staying active and socially engaged, keeping up with regular physical exercise, planning your finances meticulously, avoiding social isolation, eating a balanced and nutritious diet, and prioritizing regular medical care are all steps you can take to ensure a better quality of life. If you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new content designed to help you live your best life. Also, Don't forget to hit the like button and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content for you. Lastly, I want to remind you about our comprehensive personal development guide, available in the first pinned comment. This guide offers deeper insights and practical tips to help you overcome challenges, find inner peace, and lead an extraordinary and abundant life. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Thank you once again for watching. Take these lessons to heart, make the necessary changes, and enjoy your golden years to the fullest. See you in the next video.